Okay, David threw a baseball into the air. The height of the baseball in feet is represented by the function h equals, that is a negative 16t squared plus 80t. Determine how long it will take for the ball to reach the ground. Hint, graph it, and then find the x-intercepts. Hey, look, we have a graph. Right here, some graph paper. To graph this, probably the best thing to do would be to find the vertex and then find the x-intercepts. So let's find the vertex first. X equals opposite of b over 2a. Opposite of 80 over 2 times negative 16. So get my handy dandy calculator out here. Clear out that sucker. Opposite of 80 divided by, now if you do this on a calculator, you got to be a little careful here, okay? Parentheses 2 times negative 16, because you want to do the multiplication of 2 times negative 16 first, and you see that's going to happen 2.5 seconds after it's thrown in the air. We will assume that this is in seconds. Okay, that gives us the time, but not actually the height. To determine the height, I will have to plug that in. Opposite of 16 times 2.5, close it, square it, plus 80 times 2.5, so 100. So I have increments of 0.5, so that's 1, 2, so 2.5 is right here, and these are increments of 10, so that's 110, there's 100 right there. So 2.5 comma 100 should be right about here. Okay, that gives us my vertex. I also have to find out my intercepts. So we need to find out the intercepts, and it's all about h. So the intercepts is when h equals 0. That means it's on the ground. You can solve this a number of ways. I would recommend factoring. Probably the first thing you want to do is divide out by that negative 16. That will make it a little easier to do. Whatever you do to one side, do to the other. So you divide everything through by negative 16. And I'll move this up just a little bit. So 0 equals t squared minus 5t, because 80 divided by negative 16 is a minus 5. Factor it. Factor out that t. This isn't the only way, but I just think it's the most efficient, at least for me. And then use my zero product property, so that means t has to be 0. Well, that's kind of obvious. That means it's starting at 0, and t minus 5 equals 0. So that means 5 seconds later, it will have reached the ground. So how long is it going to take for the ball to reach the ground? It will take 5 seconds to reach the ground. That's it. If you want to see a pretty picture, here we go. Not bad, not bad at all. There you go. All done.